How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your MetaSmart glasses charging case not working. So you might having some connection problems. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just clean those connecting pins or the gold pins inside the case itself, making sure that there are no debris, dust, and basically your device can connect properly to the charging case. Now, if that didn't work, we can then try to reset our device. So to do that, it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, at the bottom of your Ray-Ban Meta glasses, there's going to be the reset button. You just want to hold this for at least 30 seconds, release it, and from there, this will then reset the glasses case itself, fixing connection problems and more. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.